here. Well, today I'm going to take you down to my basement storage room and give you a little tour. Disclaimer, it's nothing glamorous, nothing gorgeous, but it's my little slice of heaven. So without further ado, let's go. Hi guys, behind these doors lies my basement storage room, where I house all my home decor items in one place. So before we go in, I need to share with you that it is nothing glamorous, nothing beautiful, but it's beautiful to me because it houses all my stuff in one place and it makes decorating a complete breeze. So without further ado, we'll go in there. But I might as well let you know that the lighting is terrible. There's only 2 windows in there, and the deck guys built the deck over those windows. So what once used to be a bright room is now kind of a dark room. And one more thing, if you hear a lot of water running, that is our sump pump. We've had a tremendous amount of rain, and so it's moving water away from the house, and it's seriously working in overdrive. So sorry for the annoyance, but I just want to let you know what that is. All right, let's go take a peek. So let's go in. As I stated before, there's a window, see, there and over there. And like I said, you can see it doesn't bring in much light. And so I had to rig lights in here. I had to put in, let's see, a shop light up there. And then I put in Christmas and party lights just to kind of make it bright enough so I can see my stuff. But I think it kind of adds a little fun feel to it. But let's go over here. So over in this corner, my husband has some audio equipment for the theater. And then all along the perimeter is all my home decor stuff that's not being used right now. Now this is all my kind of stuff that I decorate with all throughout the year. And believe it or not, I do switch stuff out all the time because I get really bored with my vignettes or my table displays. So what I do is I come down here, I grab a basket, or there's a bunch of baskets over there, and I'll just find what I'm looking for and then run it to the room that I'm going to decorate, which makes it super easy. And then over here is my fall and Christmas section. And I have everything organized nice and neatly. And then it wraps around over here. And all of this right here that you see in boxes and bins, those are pretty much all my Christmas trees. I didn't want to take those out of the boxes because who wants a Christmas tree with cobwebs, right? So I leave my Christmas trees boxed until they're ready to be used. And then I have bins with everything's labeled, like Christmas garlands, Christmas ribbon, wrapping paper, and then over here fall tree ornaments. So everything's labeled in those boxes so I know exactly what's in them. And then we got these storage shelves last weekend, and it looks like I don't have as much fall and Christmas decor as I did in the other house, and I thought for a second maybe I'm missing some boxes, but I don't think I am. I think these shelves are wider than our other shelves, so I can pack a lot of stuff on each shelf. So I think I've got everything. We'll see when I start decorating. But everything's organized. And this is all the new stuff I have hauled for you guys. And I left it out because I can see, oh, that's all my new stuff, and I'll know where to go decorate with it. And this is all my old stuff that I used throughout the years. Now over here, I wanted to create a little fall floral shop for myself. So I put up this little sign that says Autumn Garland, so I know exactly where to go for that. And you can see I've got different ones hanging. I love berry garlands because it adds pops of color in my displays for fall. Then I put a little lamp over here just to add some more light because it is so dark in this corner. But you can see I've got various fall picks, and I can just pull them out, as many as I need, and then go do my displays. And you can see over here, I've got this box that says Fall 6-Foot Pre-Lit Tree. That is what I'm going to be taking out hopefully tomorrow or Saturday. And then I'm going to come over here and start packing it with fall picks. And then I've got a bunch of new ornaments in that little basket. And oh yeah, they've got more over there in that bin. But I know exactly where everything is, so it'll be a breeze. And then over here, I have a shop light up above shining down on my wreaths, and I have a sign that says Autumn Wreaths. And what I did, you can see this ribbon. I just took a huge piece of ribbon and I looped all these different wreaths. I love fall wreaths, so you can see I've got all different ones hanging here, but it keeps them all in one section off the ground. And again, I have a visual of exactly what I have. So when I go to decorate, it truly is plug and play, which is kind of fun. And this is a bunch of garland that I love to use. And then I just hung an old curtain rod and strung some ribbon on it. I found the box of Christmas ribbon, so I need to maybe add another pole beneath it and do my fall ribbon. And then over here, I have a bunch of miscellaneous lamps and lamp bases and lamp shades. So those are all grouped together. Then I have more fall and Halloween over here. I ran out of room, so I've got those there. And then lots of plates. I love decorating with plates for the seasons. So I've got my Christmas there, and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. At my other house, I grouped like all my, like these. Those, I would like put all of those on a shelf together. I'd put all my greenery on a shelf together. I'd put, you know, all my pottery or candle holders together. But when we moved in, it was such a big job. I just kind of threw everything on the shelf. But the good news is I know where everything is because I'm the one that set it there. But I also have a lot of my Tuscan home decor stuff that I'm just not ready to part with yet. But it may look like a lot to you guys, but I want you to know that all the stuff you see here, I usually do a huge purge once a year. And I will set up a Craigslist ad and I'll say, free home decor lot, come and get it. And we usually have a gazillion takers, and it's literally gone within an hour. And so I do give a lot of it away. I buy very inexpensive stuff. I'm not a girl who is into designer stuff or designer names. And for those of you that are, that's wonderful. But I'm kind of a cheapskate that way. So my stuff's not expensive stuff. So it may look like a lot, but it's inexpensive home decor items. And as I've stated many times before, home decor doesn't have to be expensive to look beautiful. You can use inexpensive stuff and make it look expensive and elegant by adding different elements or layering with different items. So that's kind of my take on it anyway. But this is my storage room, my little slice of heaven in the house, where all the fun begins for me. Just absolutely love making my house warm and cozy for my family. And then to have a storage room where I know where everything is makes it all that more fun. So Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little storage room video, and I'll be back with more fall decorating coming up soon. Thanks for stopping by to see me. I so appreciate it. And be sure to catch my next video, which will be my beautiful, beautiful autumn tree. It's going to be gorgeous. You just wait and see. See you soon.